How to make video script using ChatGPT. Want to make professional video script without writing them from scratch? Let's learn how to use ChatGPT to create polished scripts step by step. So first start by defining your video's purpose. Is it a tutorial, a review, or an explainer? Knowing your goal helps ChatGPT tailor the script to your audience. And then after that, go ahead and provide ChatGPT with a detailed prompt. Include the video title, length, style, and format. For example, the command that I will use for ChatGPT would be to write a 3-minute faceless YouTube tutorial script titled Save Gmail Emails to Notion Automatically. The script should include intro with hook, step-by-step narration, visual cues or overlays, outro with call to action, editing tips for accessibility and engagement. So as you can see, I have asked ChatGPT to structure the script. This ensures your video flows smoothly and easy to follow. Review the draft. So click on send to send this to ChatGPT and then go ahead and review the draft and adjust it to match your voice, add examples, humor, or brand touches. Keep sentences short for narration and easy subtitles. Finally, adapt the script for your platform. Use longer detailed scripts for YouTube and shorter fast-paced versions for TikTok or Reels. And that is how to make video script using ChatGPT.